Today I am discussing about 3D printed bottle rocket parts. As you can see in this video, rocketry is one of the most fun and engaging pastimes a person can undertake in terms of educational benefits. There are few tools out there that can as effectively be used to teach an entire STEM. Rocketry can easily be used to teach forces and motion, algebra, trigonometry, and a host of other essential subjects. The drawback is that it can be somewhat costly to get started and costly to maintain if you must depend on purchasing materials. I am a technology education teacher in a small in public district, and I needed way to be self-sustaining for my rocketry lesson. For the hobbyist or parent, being able to create a rocket to launch it is an immensely gratifying experience, and keeping that experience inexpensive is always a plus. Step 1: Materials. As you can see in this video, you will need access to a 3D printer, a free Tinkercad account, a low temperature hot glue gun, low temperature glue sticks, an empty plastic soda bottle, a tailor or seamstress measuring tape, a black Sharpie. Step 2: Collect design data. Here you will need to collect your data in order to figure out the dimensions of your nose cone and fins. Note, if you are just going through the use STL files, and throughout this step and next step we will be working with specific measurements, usually in millimeters. Don't like your measurements you need in incredibly exacting here. There are more exact you and your better rocket fly. Step 2: Design and print your nose cone and fins. As you can see in this picture, I used a conical design and ball recovery stem for a 2000 Oz soda bottle here, and that is time with the blue instructions will generate for you, and that said there is no reason for you to do the same. There is a wide variety of rocket nose cone shapes available, and this aspect of your design will have a significant effect on your acceleration due to drag. Log on Tinkercad and open a new design. Select the wedge shape from the geometric menu and drag it from the work plane. Refer to your data and root and span. Change the height of the wedge of your root's measurement. Change the system as you can see in the video. Step 4: Prep your bottle. Make sure you have removed the label and rinse the bottle out of the water. Step 5: Attach nose cone assembly, as you can see in this video. Step 6: Recovery device assembly. Step 7: Fin assembly. Step 8: Launch. Unscrew the cap and fill the bottle with 1/3 of the way up the water. Attach your bottle rocket to your launcher. Launch. Watch. Give a countdown from 5. Tuck the kite string. Thanks for watching.